And the race is on. Kim Possible, Possible, Terrible, Marvin, Conqueror alongside his Big Apple. Big Apple, Kim Possible, Conqueror, Danori inside James, Racing Port alongside Marvin, and Spanish Brahms is running at the tail of the field. Big Apple. Ayalan can followed by Kim Possible, Conqueror, James Racing Port by about 2 lengths alongside Terrible Marvin, Spanish Brahms. Another far turn, Big Apple by about 2 lengths, Kim Possible, Conqueror. Then here comes James, the favorite, number 3, alongside his Terrible Marvin, Spanish Rams, as they race the last 500. Big Apple by about 2 lengths, Kim Possible. James on the outside, Conqueror, Terrible Marvin, racing towards the last 250. Big Apple. James is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Big Apple, James rushing up, moves up to take the lead. It's now James by about 3 lengths, followed by Big Apple. And finally, FM Raquel Jr. on James. Big Apple, Terrible Marvin, Kim Possible, Conqueror, Spanish Drums comes last through all the way.
Okay, 3, 5, 6, 4 ating unofficial order of